Come test drive the 2015 Passat. The Volkswagen Passat is roomy and powerful. It is a supple and controlled ride with a quiet and comfortable ride. Volkswagen brings it all together and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, dual airbags, power steering, one owner, four-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.